So I'm here on the side of the freeway. My fan broke again. I don't know why. The temperatures weren't high or anything. I wasn't pushing the RPMs crazy. I wasn't going that fast. So yeah, not sure what happened. Walt's coming with the truck to pick me up, but until then, the highway patrol service sent a tow, and they're gonna block some traffic for me to push my bike and get it off the freeway. So you guys are gonna come along with me on that, and hopefully I don't pass out from the heat. It was floating, dude. I was cruising along. It's been running really nice, but I don't know what it is. It just keeps shredding that fan. Alright, let's go. It's hot as hell. But yeah, the temps were around 270, 280 when this happened. Last time it was around 330, so I was like, you know, last time it made sense. I was like, okay, it's got too hot. This time, I don't know, this bike has run at 280 for a whole year, you know what I mean? I don't know why that would have caused an issue today. Whew, I'm out of breath. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I might just roll it. Hopefully this is not doing damage. But I cannot. I just have to let this roll. Just cruise it down. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. I'll probably just go across the street, find some shade and post up.
I'm back at Six Scooters. I'm picking up the Navi. Andy hooked me up, got my fan running right. We're about to ride it home. My boy Walt met me at Six Scooters. We about to ride back.
All right, guys. It is my first time riding in a full week. Just got back from Egypt. Came straight to pick up my girl. My boy Walt met me so we could get a little ride back. We're going to go to Billy's house and get some tacos. But it feels good to be back on the Navi.
Let's talk about why the fan keeps breaking, because after checking the bike out and discussing it with Andy, we figured it out. The good news is it's not directly related to the big bore or any of the modifications I've made, just an over-revving problem. In both videos I have of the fan exploding, it happened at around 10,000 RPM. Specifically, it was like 10,400. I think that we could solve this by adjusting the rolling wrench CDI to limit the revs to around 10,000 and not let the fan go above that. Based on everything I know, this should prevent the fan from breaking again. The bike's actually running great. Like, look at this right here. Because the rolling wrench CDI is trial and error adjustment, you have to like adjust it and then test the RPMs. Today's ride, I'm just gonna manually limit myself under 10,000, and it shouldn't be too hard to do. All right, look at this passing power right here. Easy. This bike is running great. It sounds great.
So yeah, like I said, acceleration is really nice. The pops, baby, the pops. Oh my goodness. The pops are incredible. A lot more power on the low end for sure. Definitely noticed that. Like I said, I'm gonna have a way more comprehensive video in the next one, but I just wanted to kind of share a little bit of how this thing performs. Slide me in right here. Slide me in right here. In the city, I just have a lot more power. I feel like I can actually, like, you know, try to get past cars. lot more zippy, if you will. A lot more responsive. Ooh, big dub. Thank you. Let's try to get to the front here, get you guys a little BBK Navi pull. BBK Navi. BBK Navi. Let's see. Come on now. Get me in here. Let's go. Woo-hoo! Thank you. I'm gonna go right here. Perfecto. So we got that dullness and it kicks in. Now we're gone. It's game over. It's game over. Don't go. Don't go. Don't go. Don't go. Thank you. Thank you. It's game over. Just straight like that. Just straight like that, bro. That's insane. That is insane, dude. Oh, that is actual insanity. That was so fun. It just keeps pulling. Like after 40, it's just like, hello, pulling, 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 pulling.
¿Dos de buche? Dos de asada y dos de buche.
5 de asada
5 de asada.
y 2 de lengua, por favor. Sí, con todo.
¿Para comer aquí o para llevar?
Llevar.
Sí. Gracias.
Muchas gracias. Ooh, we're eating good. Boys are eating good, huh, Walt?
Yeah. Shout out Mo. Sponsor Mo.
How is it? Let us know.
Busted, man.
Hey, he says busting for real type shit. Boom! Hell yeah, baby. We grubbing. Let's go.
Yes, sir. I'm in here too behind Jixer. Yo, what's good? What's good? Yo, I just went 10,300 RPMs and I caught myself and let go. I'm glad I didn't lose my fan right there. I'm kind of scared about my fan after I just went 10,300 RPMs. I'm not gonna lie to you. Hey, somebody pull up next to me and just look at my fan. Does it look fine? No smoke, no nothing? Alright. No, no. Hey, watch out, car behind you. My temps are reading insane numbers, bro. My shit's hot. Yeah, they're higher than ever before, bro. I'm sketched out right now. Yeah, it might be a good idea. And for a third time, my fan exploded again. I was riding, I did not pay attention that my RPMs went above 10,000, and I'm telling you, that's what it is. Every time they go over 10,000, this fan explodes. I don't know what to fucking do anymore. I'm gonna have to definitely set the rev limit before I ride again. And yeah, I don't know, man. Navi's gonna be down again, dude. This is so frustrating. And we're back where we started at 6 scooters. I thought I was being careful and keeping it under 10, but it got over 10 for that, you know, a slight second, and that was enough, I guess. Feeling really disappointed, feeling really stupid. Feels like it was an avoidable problem. I was joking that I should have had extra fans like on hand before, and there we go. I should have. So I already called in and put in my order. Every time it happens, I'm out for like at least a week or 2 on the Navi, and it's just, yeah, I'm just really, really frustrated, really disappointed right now, but that's life, I guess. Ball up top. Fuck it, we ball. I appreciate everyone who made it this far. Thank you guys for watching. It means a lot. Please go ahead and like the video, leave a comment down below, and hopefully I'll have some better news for you guys in the next one. Until then, I'll see you.